The 1920s, the Prohibition years. Violent gangs were gaining more and more power by the trade of illegal alcohol. It was a tough time for the average Joe, but not for me. My name is Cannoli, and I make an honest living as an enforcer for the mob. But it ain't all fun and games, of course. One time I got a call from a mob boss called Mr. Belluccio. He needed me to come to Thugtown and find some guy named Frank. My name is Mr. Thugtown. There was something wrong with this city. Strange reports had been coming in about bizarre incidents and gruesome murder cases. Violent rioters had overrun entire areas inside the city, and it seemed the officials had lost all control. It's been days now since the last contact, but nevertheless, I had a job to do. So here I was, about to step in a freaking nightmare.
Morning, everyone. This is your captain speaking. We've just arrived at Thugtown Harbor. Please stay in your cabins until we're fully docked and the bridges have been lowered. Hey, Commander, who are all those people on shore?
I don't know, sir, but hey, they're running up to the bridge.
They're attacking the sailors. They're invading the ship.
Oh, they're everywhere. Captain, help me!
Take that, you chump-faced goons! Take that! What the gun?
Junk-faced goons? What's going on up there? It ain't personal. I just love killing you. Here is a failure to communicate. Wait, no, I mean stop eating me! busy dying, pal! Is it me, or am I whacking the same guys over and over again? Stay dead this time! Down! 30 million to go. Want to die, you shouldn't have walked in front of my gun! This job would be great if it wasn't for the freaking zombies! sorry, it ain't personal. I just love killing you. That's some good cannoli. Feel bad. Everybody's gotta die sometime. The safety was on. That's some good cannoli. Thought you was dead! Should have stayed that way. That's some good cannoli. That cost you an arm and a leg, and a head. sneaking bastards!
Hey, pal! Up here! Could you just help me out here a second and get rid of these guys for me? My butt's starting to hurt. Hey, pal! Up here! Could you just help me out here a second and get rid of these guys for me? My butt's starting to hurt. Thanks for saving my ass from being turned into supper.
Don't mention. But who are you and what the hell is going on here? I haven't even set 1 foot ashore and they try to bite it off.
I hear you, pal. I've been stuck up here for days now. My name's Rusty. All I know is people all over town started turning into friggin' zombies after St. Patty's a couple of days ago. Before we knew it, the whole town was overrun. The only thing holding out is the gangsters, you know, armed to the teeth and all. Yeah, you picked a hell of a time to pay us a visit, I can tell you that.
Yeah, well, I ain't here for the architecture. My name's Cannoli, and I'm looking for a guy called Frankie the Fly. Perhaps you've heard of him.
Oh yeah, Frank. Always in trouble, that kid. What are you looking for him for?
I gotta find him and take him straight to the big boss of the Belluccios.
The Belluccios? You're on the wrong side of town, pal. Their turf is on the north side of the river that cuts Thugville in half. You want my advice? Get the hell out while you still have a pair of legs to do so.
Can't do that. They pay me a lot of dough to get him there without so much as a scratch. So I guess he's gotta be pretty important to them. And that makes him important to me. So can you get me to him or not?
I think I know where he is, but it's too dangerous out here to talk now. Meet me at the pawn shop at the end of the harbor. It ain't far from here. We'll talk there.